Y epalaguno kongetorri lastutzapelen kanalera ongedorri bermintain bi zuzeneko. Honetara zuzeneko hau lehenago egin nahi nuen, baina jokoak eraki du gaur instalatu behar zuela aktualizazio bat, astelena sori gabe jokatu genuen regirekin, eta orain horrelako gauzak. Partida de reaventura. Bueno, berdin zaigu. Hartuko dugu Kerilian.
Nice night, ain't it?
A ver nola egiten zen hau. Non dago? Vale, hemen. Goazen jokatzera. Ea genditzea lortzen dugun.
It's no secret we've lost a bit of trust. Enter Kruber the Peacemaker, which is me. Killing Ratmen brought us together, and it will again. To the high seas, piracy, plunder.
So what I'll tell you, plain sailing. Young Gakpo can't change this.
Well, that was an experience. The Mayflies will be fine. The fluid will be.
Bueno, eskerrak pertsonaiak hobetuta dauzkagula.
Oh, good. You're all still alive.
We must have shelter. Surely there is some on this blighted
Nivelik altuena eta bar, baina horrek ez du esan nahi mapa gaindituko dugurik,
Where there's life, there's hope. We'll find them.
Bueno, guazen man.
Ugh, of course there is Skaven here.
That hut is no shelter at all. Onwards!
I hear plague vermin. Plague rats! There is no escape.
Ammunition here! That's a fire rat. Not bad! But a practice will make a soldier of you.
Bueno, guazen.
Strangler!
Ha! A dead pod master is a sight for song. Blackfire! On its way!
Hor eskauen itxasontzi bat.
Just rat of fruit.
Setting the ball. Time for a bit of shielding.
Vale, hori ez dago ezer.
I hear an assassin.
Ha! Dead assassin.
Hala.
All before time.
Today, let us hope it remains true.
Must be this way. You want to tell me why you keep looking at me like that? Ever heard of trust? Trust? Trust?
Hautsi goazen.
With a rock.
You were lucky it was only a rock. You were fixing to murder Sienna in cold blood.
To banish a necromancer is not murder, hot or cold. It is righteous.
Just tell me you're over it now. She's not a monster, you can see that.
Always sound righteous.
Bat dagoen tokian, pila bat daude.
More of them coming. Let's teach him some manners.
Or flat sword, is it? Let them come, says I. You want another rookie?
Strangler, bring it down. Don't let it.
Cannot escape judgment. Let's chance.
Piss on that rattling anyway!
A ratman with a shield. Ha! Can we cross here?
You can't hold the grudge against Saltzpyre forever, Wittemke. Let him through him a scare.
First of all, you're one to speak about grudges. And second, you won.
It'll eat you up inside. Mark my words.
He attacked me without warning. Am I supposed to forgive that?
It's your choice. Just hate to see you both hurting, that's all.
Ugh, you're soft in the head. Thank you.
Vale, goazen
Chaos
mank.
warrior mayflies.
Boy, like it's payday. One Kazaki doing fewer.
Dash away! Blackfire! Have a care! That's a chaos warrior!
Healing elixir. Well, that's just plain nasty.
Aye, let's just stare at it all day. They don't learn, do they?
Shield wrecking.
Awake, Right, this street, now!
Beste horra bat.
Here they come! Let's give them a welcome!
Lehen madarikatua.
That's a leap and no mistake. Chaos Warrior in sight!
Leech is down! We'll be fine. So long as the dead stay dead.
Welcome to bloody trial!
The lighthouse looks intact, which is more than I can see for the rest of this place.
Gotta hope our fella's gonna head that way.
Lumberfoots, can you not see? This is the path.
Yeah, mates, maybe we've scared them off. Nah, I don't think so neither. I don't know what's going on at that lighthouse, but there's something rotten in its life, Dory.
Hit control!
Get back! It's a bad Sigma, Blizzard! They come in number! All right! Come on! Kill your old
Up here!
Flamecaster!
The Scunner Warrior comes for us. Stand ready!
Got the hot back!
It's about to get a long pause. Is that all? I was hoping for an explosion. Huh, maybe next time. There's a Chaos Warrior near.
I shall pledge thee all in Sigmar's name! Secure for I swear the blood river right by! Of four! Do I spy an ammunition stash? Tidings, Elixon! You
less leech. No sorrow for a dead packmaster.
Come on then! By Sigmar forever and don't deny that you know how to kill elf.
This is nothing. You should have seen me at Hogger's Branch. Dozens I killed.
Hogger's Bridge. Wait a minute. 2 known regiments vanished without trace of Hogger's Bridge. Well, there! Take out the warfire through up!
Cannot hide.
Flight from! Kill the slamming beast!
Ah, there's a body piling up the works.
Give them hell! What was the bloody pieces?
That sorcerer! He's working the winds! One last gasp from the sorcerer.
Always works, that.
Aye, good sight. But can you repeat it?
Non
position.
I've a shot for your rotten heart, Blightstormer! Hey! What's up? Someone kill that bloody Zilla Doomie! Right, Sigmar and the hammer! I judge yours! Look, Scummy! He'll drain your life story! One less leech!
Bonnie! Time for a potion. Well, isn't that a delight? A Blightstormer just for us and waiting nearby.
Like I was never here.
The winds die with their master. Cannot hide. The platforms arrived.
Quick! Before he calls the plague winds! This is where we stand, and running forward. Eyes open, right feet! Sick of this. Be silent. We used to be mates, but we stopped trusting each other and it's killing us. Maybe we're not getting off this island, but we're still partners like bloody boys. So, you're gonna leave the past in the past, or you're gonna have worse than the pack sworn to deal with. Got it?
So
Very well.
masterful.
Right. Let's kiss them off.
Look at the size of that shield.
Gutter runner! I'll hold them as long as my shield holds.
This is a cursed place, Mayflies. Mark my words.
I reckon we should burn it. Grab that oil.
The furnace! Are you blind? This is the route.
Keep your guard up. That's a chaos warrior. Sworn work I'll warrant.
There is little natural in this place, Mayflies.
Is there a way through?
Is that gate really serving much of a purpose? I say we blow it apart.
See? This is better, ain't it? Just like old times. What do you know of old times, Barry? We've a fight on our hands now! Don't worry, Susie. I'll be back.
Bolting? Could be worse. So, now we fight the troll. Delightful.
You can stop us. You're welcome to bloody try. A chaos warrior. It's our shall not hold.
Broad shield. Take its eyes, Lumberfoots. Keep moving, mayflies. We're not destined to fall here. I smell rat poison.
Good shot, Dory. Smash him in.
Medical supplies. It would appear the lighthouse is the source of our woes. Gas rat!
Gaslat's dead. Now, fine, Claw. You've learned something from me after all. What a nasty pile of whatever it is.
We scoured it from this place. Agreed? Up over here, mayflies.
Listen.
lots and lots of oil. Maybe if we fill that cart.
Does this control the oil pipeline?
Bueno, ezin da bidea.
This is the street. Pick up your feet! Move! Gas rat's dead! Keep back! Archer!
Luminaire, bring it down!
Did you not see it coming, Elf?
Oh! Mustache!
I smite your heathen soul!
Hold on, mayflies. Going to strike.
Another slag! The tally grows!
Alright, mayflies. Which of you's got careless with the flames?
Ha! Warms and roars! Come on over here! Stand back! In the name of Satan! Fight! Fight! Kill! Death! Box of ammunition over here! A gun rack comes for us. Yeah, that rattling's dead. The gunner's dead.
Bueno, empezando a probar el...
Won't be long now. The wagon is full. Time to move.
We cannot light it like this. We need a trail.
Don't let it hurt you. Fast after you're done.
Stand up! Save us, Dana!
Trouble that we no longer scattered thing.
Guasemang.
But we are marooned. We can get to the harbor from here. You'll see.
Take it out. Still can't believe that we lost Sienna.
There you are, darlings. At last! Care to step aboard?
Alive? I suppose you can't have everything.
Always works, that.
You wouldn't believe
Hala,
the day
listo.
I've had. No, quite likely we would not.
Uf. Niveles igoko gara. Beno, lagunok, hau izan da dena, espero dut gustoko esan zaizuela, eta hurrengoan gehiago. Agur.